I'd like to welcome Richard Cox to the AgEmerge stage. Richard is with GUSS Automation, who have done amazing things to bring automation technologies to the agricultural world. Based in Kingsburg, California, they've done some amazing things to automate the spray application in almonds, which has grown into other crops such as citrus in Florida and other countries that you'll see here in just a minute. So what's really interesting is taking a look at ag automation and how that can help with the labor shortages that we have and the skill shortages that we have today in agriculture. And these labor and skill shortages are going to be even a bigger problem as we move to more of a regenerative agriculture approach. So think about that as Richard is presenting to us, and think about how technologies that automate operations and do onboard decision making are going to really allow us to scale up regenerative agriculture.
Welcome. Thanks for joining us. My name is Richard Cox. I'm the sales manager for GUSS Automation. We're in Kingsburg, California. GUSS is a global unmanned spray system. It's an autonomous sprayer. We spray tree fruit and tree nuts autonomously. GUSS keeps the modern ag business moving row after row, day after day, day or night. A single employee can monitor and operate 8 GUSS sprayers from the comfort and safety of his pickup truck using a laptop computer. This is a solution for labor challenges, increased efficiencies, ultimate precision of the application of the products, enhanced safety. GUSS is a smart investment. Our company was founded on Crinkleoff Farm Services in 1982. It was a commercial spray business and pesticide herbicide applicator covering the West Coast and Arizona as a custom farm service company. They met with all the challenges every grower has of employees, repeatability, consistency, just all those challenges, and they fought them from day one, trying to figure out better ways, being inventive and fabricating new products to help modernize the agricultural business. In the peak of their days, they spray 5,000 acres a day. Some of their early inventions, this goes back to the mid-'80s, where they invented and developed a see and spray technology, which puts product only on the tree, not the air gaps between the trees, reducing waste, increasing efficiencies. Another product they developed was a vineyard pruning system where an operator could drive a tractor and prune the vineyards. This is something that was manually done and very labor intense and very slow, long drawn out processes. This automation has moved that market into modern technology era. The unmanned spray system idea came about when labor issues, trying to tractor drivers working long hours late at night in the heat of the summer, labor costs continually going higher and higher, regulations on product application, exposure times on products just becomes more and more of an issue. An unmanned spray system was the dream. And in 2014, the mission started. This is something that has never been done before. So GUSS, the Global Unmanned Spray System, was built, prototype in 2017. It was put into our commercial spray business where we currently run 10 machines. We do continually R&D projects. To date, GUSS has sprayed 250,000 acres. One person can operate 8 sprayers from the safety of his truck. This product debuted at the World Ag expo in 2018 to promote our spray business, and the growers saw the product, saw GUSS, had to have it. That interest pushed us to developing GUSS Automation as a company where we manufacture GUSS in our Kingsburg facility. 2019, we delivered our first GUSS to a commercial applicator. We now have GUSSes in Florida, Australia, all over the Central Valley of California. We produce a little over one a week today. We'll be going to 2 a week starting middle part of 2021. So the demand is very high for autonomous spray system. GUSS is designed to work with GPS, cellular communication, and two-way radio communication. It has an onboard computer. It can operate under the canopy of an almond field without GPS signal and continue doing its job. The canopy is so dense in some of the almonds that it just blocks out all cellular and GPS. So GUSS can operate without any communication. When it gets to the end of the row and turns, it reestablishes communication with the truck operator and GPS signals, refreshes everything, starts down the next row without losing a beat. We utilize a LiDAR on the front of GUSS for obstacle detection and for lane centering when GPS is lost. And there are two safety bumpers on the front also that also provide extra levels of safety in case of any obstacles, whether it be a tree limb, a tractor, a telephone pole, whatever might be out there. There's 3 levels of obstacle detection on the front end of GUSS. So GUSS goes down the row with all the trees, minimum GPS signal, and it just continues to do its job and spray. When GUSS gets to the end of the row, it shuts off the spray, makes the turn, enters the next row, turns the spray back on, and continues down the row spraying. The exact rate of application from the beginning of the day to the end of night. It's very repeatable, consistent. In the citrus fields in Florida, we established that there's a lot of challenges that are different than almond fields in California. The fields are all terraced to deal with the 50+ inches of rain they get every year. So the terraced fields are mushy, soft, wet, and lots of elevation changes. GUSS performed perfectly. GUSS comes out of a row, up over the hill, makes a turn, and pulls back into the next row, and it is time for a refill. It will stop, idle down, shut off the spray, and the nurse truck will pull up to refill it with the spray product. GUSS is capable of climbing a 30-degree grade, a 30% grade, full of 600 gallons of spray product with the blowers on. So it's a very powerful system. This would be the nurse truck pull up, ready to refill it. 600-gallon refill takes approximately 2.5 minutes. That's the only time that GUSS is not being productive, is when it's being refilled. It doesn't take lunch breaks. doesn't take smoke breaks, doesn't call in sick. Thanks for your time today. We welcome you to visit our facility in Kingsburg. We have dealers in Florida and in California. If you have any questions, please reach out to us and visit our website. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Yeah, just a minute. Can you fix that where I messed up? Okay, perfect. Okay.
And, you know, cleaning up with that, you know, the other two fingers on the base and stuff. They're making notes in the back.
Okay. Cool. Now, will this video continue to run at the end of it too, or? Okay.
We can make it run as long as you want. Like, if you want it to, like,
I've got it at the end of my other video, our other presentation too. So I don't know if you want to do it twice, or does it matter?
I mean, it doesn't really matter. How long is the video? It's best if you let it run.
Yeah. Okay. So it's probably a minute, maybe.
It's actually good if you let it run, and it'd be great if you could, you know, tee it up a little bit.
Okay.
Kind of like say,
Okay. Okay.
I can actually see the slides right